Hey, what's up YouTube? How's it going, everybody? My hair is looking kind of crazy, but it's okay because we out here working. Yes, you're on top of the DTG printer in case you can hear it. But anyways, what's up? I know we haven't been posting. We've been pretty busy. Things are actually starting to slow down, so which is good. We just had a big event a few days ago called 1921 Ground Zero, where we hosted about 30 vendors, more than 30 vendors. So now that that is over, you can actually, here, I'm gonna play a recap video of our event. So if you're in the Houston area, we throw it every quarter, every 3 to 4 months. So if you're in the Houston area, make sure you come to our next one. You can follow our Instagram page at 1921 Ground Zero. So we are here printing some shirts for our customers. As you can see. So we had a couple questions on how we pre-treat our garments and how we make them so vibrant. The color is so vibrant. As you can see, we're printing some black and yellow shirts right now. But this is an order that we're working on. We ordered, I believe 30 shirts. You can see the colors. Came out really good. So this is from our DTG printer. They have not been heat pressed, so we let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes to let the ink sink in, because if you heat press it right after you print it, sometimes it kind of dulls out the color. It doesn't really keep the color, so we let it sit for a little bit and then we heat press it. So a lot of printing companies have a pre-treat machine. You can also use a spray bottle. Where's our spray bottle? It's over here. You can also use a spray bottle, spray gun. We just use, just a spray bottle that says Pretreat, aka the stuff. The good stuff. It's on my finger. And then we use our pre-treat. We use Image Armor dark formula. So this is a pretty good pre-treat liquid. We've always been using that, so that's how we get our color. We just, spray it, heat press it,
and honestly,
spray it again, heat press it.
I dealt with pre-treat machines and pre-treat in this way. Honestly, like this way more than the pre-treat machine. The pre-treat machine is good when you got a lot of shirts, which we do be having, but I feel like it's more accurate when you do it yourself. When you get in there, you brush it in too.
Yes, and then he donated his own brush to brush the pre-treat into the shirt. So it's very important that you brush the pre-treat into the shirt, because when you heat press it, and then that's what makes, and you only do that for dark garments, so that what makes the color stay. Now, like you said, we have used the pre-treat machine, but if you're doing a few shirts, or if you're doing like a certain area on the shirt, we just use the bottle. the spray bottle, and then his brush to brush it in. You might have seen other YouTube videos and use like a paintbrush, like a big paintbrush, but this works perfectly fine.
Some people use rollers.
Oh yeah, some people use rollers.
Make sure you use the soft side of the brush too. That way you don't want to use the hard side and brush the fibers too much where it get that little carpet type look to it. So use the soft side and use the side of it. You want to just flow it in there. You're just doing this to make sure the Pretreat is getting into those fibers.
Yep, and then it comes out like this. Or like this. Or like this. Or like this.
Make sure you get that Pretreat in there because where it's not no Pretreat, the ink will not go.
Yeah. So now we're putting on a yellow shirt. We're doing the same process as we did the black shirt with the yellow shirt. So we do add the Pretreat to the yellow shirt. And also someone asked how we Pretreat for neck tags. We do the same way for neck tags, and because we have a spray bottle, you can just spray directly on a neck tag and then, you know, flip this inside out and just DTG right here, and then we just cut this off. And then what also helps to have a really good print is a really good design that's vectorized with no background. This was a really good design.
The real good prints, real vibrant prints, is making sure that really the work, your artwork is not pixelated. Like if you do your own artwork, then your design will come out good. Sometimes when you get pictures off of Google, things like that, they be pixelated and things like that. So the resolution isn't high, and that's why the print is not of good quality. So
yeah, so if you want a good print, you need to give a good quality design.
High resolution.
High resolution PNG file. There's no background. You'll get a nice crisp design. All right, y'all. So we are going to finish this order, and then we're gonna head out. My hair is crazy, but yeah. So we're gonna try to stay consistent with our uploads on YouTube, and yeah. If you have any questions on how we do things, if you have any recommendations on the type of video we should upload, just comment below. And he's just working. Yeah, so make sure you like and subscribe to our videos, and we're out.